In this video, I'll show you how to manage your apps in QuickBooks Online Advanced using the new interface, so your integrations keep syncing smoothly and you can add new tools without guesswork. Start by opening your QuickBooks company and clicking Apps or App Transactions, App List, in the left menu to reach your Connected Apps hub. Here, you'll see every integration linked to your company, and if anything needs attention, like an expired login, QuickBooks will usually flag it with a reconnect option. Click Reconnect and follow the prompts to reauthorize access, which restores the data flow without redoing the entire setup. To add a new integration, click Find Apps to open the marketplace, then search or browse by category, and open an app's details to review what it does, pricing, and what data it can access. When you're ready, click Connect, sign into the app if required, and approve the permissions so it can sync properly. After connecting, return to the apps list anytime to open the app, adjust settings, or disconnect if you no longer use it. Subscribe for more QuickBooks guides that simplify workflows and keep your books accurate.